The Lincoln County Sheriff's Office has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at 137 Hadley Grove Road, Moscow Mills, Missouri on March 3, 2025 at 7:30 p.m. Abducted was Ryan M. Castellana, white, male, age 9. Abducted was Eden R. Castellana, white, female, age 6. Abducted was Owen Castellana, white, male, age 1. Suspect vehicle is a gray 2023 Chrysler Pacifica Sport Wagon bearing Missouri registration RK8, H5Z. Vehicle/suspect last seen in Bloomington, Illinois. Suspect is Lauren D. Castellana, a white, female, 33, 5 feet 1 inches tall, 150 pounds, has brown hair and hazel eyes. Suspect has scar on back of neck. Victim Ryan M. Castellana is 4 feet 8 inches tall, 75 pounds, has brown hair and blue eyes. Victim Eden R. Castellana is 3 feet 11 inches tall, 50 pounds, has brown hair and green eyes. Victim Owen Castellana is 1 feet 6 inches tall, 25 pounds, has brown hair and brown eyes. The female suspect made threats to the children and left the residence on March 4 with them. No contact has been made with the children or suspect in the last 48 hours. Vehicle was last seen in Bloomington, Illinois on March 4, 2025. Please call 911 or Lincoln County Sheriff's Office at 636-528-6100 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.